and sweet. A tasty fruit is fun to eat. B is for banana, banana, banana. Long and yellow, soft inside. Peel it down and take a bite. T is for cherry, cherry, cherry. Tiny and red, so juicy and bright. One little bite, oh what a delight. D is for date, date, date. Brown and chewy, so small and sweet. A yummy snack, it's fun to eat. E is for elderberry, elderberry, elderberry. Purple and tiny, full of power. Put the juice or in a flower. F is for fig, fig, fig. Soft and chewy, round and small. Eat it fresh or dried in fall. G is for grape, grape, grape. Purple, green, or red in a bunch. Eat them fresh or drink some punch. H is for honeydew, honeydew, honeydew. Green and sweet, it's juicy too. A melon treat just right for you. I is for Indian fig, Indian fig, Indian fig. A prickly pear so cool to see. It grows on cactus, wild and free. J is for jackfruit, jackfruit, jackfruit. Big and spiky, soft inside. A fruity taste so big and wide. K is for kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. Fuzzy outside but green and sweet. Eat it fresh or in a bowl. L is for lemon, lemon, lemon. Yellow, sour, oh so tart. Squeeze some juice, now let's all start. M is for mango, mango, mango. Juicy, sweet, so bright and bold. Eat it fresh or in a bowl. N is for nectarine, nectarine, nectarine. Smooth like peaches, juicy too. A yummy snack just right for you. O is for orange, orange, orange. Peel it open, squeeze the juice. A citrus fruit so full of use. P is for pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Spiky outside, sweet inside. Tropical fruit so big and wide. Q is for quince, quince, quince. Yellow and hard, it smells so nice. Cook it up for a fruit slice. R is for raspberry, raspberry, raspberry. Soft and red, so fun to eat. A little fruit that's tart and sweet. S is for strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. Red and juicy, heart-shaped too. In a smoothie or fresh for you. T is for tangerine, tangerine, tangerine. Small and sweet, so easy to peel. A citrus snack, the perfect meal. U is for ugly fruit, ugly fruit, ugly fruit. Funny name, but juicy inside. Try a bite, don't be shy. V is for velvet apple, velvet apple, velvet apple. Soft like peach, so smooth and red. A tasty fruit to share instead. W is for watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Big and juicy, red inside. Eat it fresh and open wide. X is for Sichuan, Sichuan, Sigua. A melon from China, cool and sweet. Slice it up, it's fun to eat. Y is for yellow passion fruit, yellow passion fruit, yellow passion fruit. Tart and tasty, full of seeds. A little fruit with all you need. Z is for ziziphus, ziziphus, ziziphus. A juju fruit, both dried and new. A healthy snack just right for you. Fruits are yummy,